We're going on an adventure! There's literally a bird on the top of our inner tent, and I am terrified of birds, so Tom is very kindly going to deal with that. He's gone, I think.
It's more graceful than I thought.
Good morning. After a wonderful night's sleep in our new tent, Hermes, we've had a nice and somewhat slow morning waking up. We did get woken up by a bird that got caught in our inner. Tom dealt with it. My hero, thank you. We're gonna get started on today's adventures very soon. We are having our coffee in the car because it's raining and the midges are really bad. So I think it might be worth investing in one of those midge head net things. After we finish our coffee and the rain stops a little, we're gonna pack up our tent and then head off to explore some more of Skye. Also going to say goodbye to Nikki and Sarge who are coming to visit us at our campsite. Time to get this tent packed up. We've arrived at our first stop today, which is the Fairy Glen just outside of League. Let's get this walk going. Well, these formations are very bizarre. They kind of look like hobbit holes, which makes it really cute and really cool, but it's natural and just nature at her finest. I feel like a hobbit. I'm going on an adventure. Tom's got the drone out. It's just incredible. There's so many waterfalls. There's a few people, but it's not super crowded. It's not a hard walk. You're literally just walking from the parking lot maybe 5-10 minutes to get to where we are, and we just have these spectacular views, and it's absolutely wonderful. And it's so random. If anyone's ever been to Hobbiton in New Zealand, it feels like that, but not man-made. Very cool. I love it. I've actually basically got the whole top to myself, which is very cool. It's absolutely stunning. What a day to have this. Wow. Just wow. We're at our first viewpoint on our road to the big event of today. I'll just show you around and see how pretty it is. It's incredible. We've arrived at our next stop on the tour of the Isle of Skye, and it's Kilt Rock. So let's get out of the car and show you what's what. We've made it to the Old Man of Storr hike, which is a 1.5 hour, 2 hour hike. I think it's about 5 kilometers. Parking is a little bit of a nightmare, so my advice is get here early or just be patient and wait for someone to come back from the hike and move. We got lucky. We just found a spot. We're gonna get on our hike, so let's get going. Before we do this relatively short hike, we're just gonna have some food. Yeah, we've got a stovetop, so why not make some toast? That's our food, and that's where we're hiking. Starting the hike. There are 2 paths you can take, arguably a more strenuous one and a slightly longer one, or a shorter but interpretive one. So we're gonna do both. We're trying to come up with the best word to describe it because it's not really beautiful. So far we've come up with haunting, regal, moody, epic. Let me know what you think the word should be to describe the structure. The sun has decided to come out and grace us with her presence, and the views are just spectacular. It's warm, it's lovely, really nice. It's very busy, but it's understandably so worth doing even if there are people. So fun fact about where Old Man of Storr is, that used to be part of the main mountain group, but due to a landslide actually separated, and that's why it looks so bizarre and so epic. At some point in the future it's going to topple over, and it really does remind me of Arches National Park in the US, just due to the nature of the rock formations eventually going to fall and break. Except here it's a lot greener and usually a lot wetter, although the sun has made an appearance today, which is lovely. Time to head back. We're taking a different path than the one we took. We'll see if it's harder, easier, or better. Path back is pretty chill. It's quite a quick downhill, so there's not too much to report other than some really nice views that we saw on the way up. I would probably say it's worth doing this way, the harder way, on the way there, and then the chiller way on the way down if you want to do both, just because it's slightly easier on the knees. We made it! We've made it back home from Skye, and yeah, what an absolutely spectacular weekend we've spent here. I'm so glad we did it. I'm just blown away by how beautiful it is. It's absolutely a must-do if you come visit Scotland. Yeah, and if you do it, let us know what you think.